So question number first from test third of subject computer oriented numerical method is obtain Simpson's 1/3 rule from Newton cottage number. So let's start the solution. So we start the solution by writing Newton cottage number, which is this, and Newton cottage formula is I is equal to NH sigma from I is equal to 0 to N yi Cin, where Cin is equal to 1 by N from 0 to N Li du. So for finding Simpson's 1/3 rule, put n equal to 2, which gives I equal to 2h, I is equal to 0 to n yi ci 2. Now I equal to 2h y0 c0 2 plus y1 c1 2 plus y2 c2 2. Make it equation number 1. This is just a elaboration of this. Now in cottage number we put n equal to 2, I equal to 0 in cottage number, which gives C02 equal to 1 by 2 from 0 to 2 L0u du, which gives this value. So C02 equal to 1 by 2 from 0 to 2 u minus 1 u minus 2 upon 0 minus 1 0 minus 2. This comes from Lagrange interpolation formula. Now C02 equal to 1 by 2 0 to 2, this becomes u square minus 3u plus 2 upon 2 du. Now C02 equal to 1 by 4 from 0 to 2 u square minus 3u plus 2. Just integrate them, it becomes 1 by 4 u square u cube by 3 minus 3u square upon 2 plus 2u 0 to 2. We just integrate it. Now C02 equal to 1 by 4, putting 2 in u, which gives 8 by 3 minus 2. After solving this, we will get C02 equal to 1 by 6. Now for C12 equal to 1 by 2, integration from 0 to 2 L1u du. C12 equal to 1 by 2 0 to 2. From Lagrange interpolation we expand it and it will gives 1 minus 2 du. Solving it, we will get C12 equal to 4 by 6. Now by formula Cin equal to Cn minus In, we will get C22 equal to C02, which is equal to 1 by 6. Now we get I1 equal to h by 3 y0 plus 4y1 plus y2. I2 equal to h by 3 y2 plus 4y3 plus y4. It simply means first and last term and 4 times of middle term. Then for next, In equal to h by 3 yn minus 2 plus 4 yn minus 1 plus yn. After summation of these terms, we will get I1 plus I2 plus I3 to that dash In. We will get h by 3 common, y0 plus yn plus 4 times of y1 plus y3 plus yn minus 1 plus 2 times of y2 plus y4 plus yn minus 2. In simply we will first and last term comes one time and middle terms will come four times and this terms come two times. So our Simpson's 1/3 rule formula is h by 3 y0 plus yn plus 4 times of y1 plus y3 plus 2yn plus 2 times of y2 plus y4 plus yn minus 2. Simply we get I1 plus I2 plus I3 to the In equal to h by 3 common y0 plus yn plus 4 times of odd terms and plus 2 times of even terms. So our Simpson's 1/3 rule formula is h by 3 first term plus last term plus 4 times of odd terms plus 2 times of even terms.